Ya. Entonces vamos a abrir los cuttings, las estacas. We're gonna open the cuttings that we got today. Start putting them in water. We have different containers here. This is what we're opening now. Esto es lo que estamos abriendo ahora. Very nice. Muy bonito. This should be Tradescantia fluminensis, I think. Then this is Pink Panther. Good, so we can get several from this. Podemos sacar varios. Okay, so let's get some water. Vamos a sacar un poco de agua. Okay. Yeah, so that's good enough. That was good to go. I also had the string of turtles. Very pretty. But I'm assuming that this side is at the bottom. Me imagino que esta parte va para abajo. I don't know really. But we'll see. So this one is like that. Like así. Okay. Now we have the Tradescantia, and I think I'm gonna make 2 of this. And this, oh yeah, these already have some roots. Este ya tiene un poco de raíces. You can see one right there, and over here. Yeah, it's over there, and over here. Yeah, so we're gonna do this. Remove some leaves. One. Like that. We're gonna do this one like this, and the other one. I'm just gonna get rid of this. You know what? I feel like we could do. Yeah. I'm gonna take the risk. Vamos a pegarnos aquí un poco. And this I feel like we're gonna do it on a dish. Me tengo que esto es mejor hacerlo en un plato o algo así. Maybe not on a dish, but something smaller like this. Yeah. Like this. And like that. Then like that. Yeah. So I'll have it like this. String of hearts. Lemon meringue, pearls and jade pothos, and philodendron. If anyone knows what this is, please let me know. I have no idea what this is. No sé qué es lo que es esto. And what's the purpose, to be honest? I think it's like a cushion, como para amortiguar, maybe. Lemon meringue. And this, I have no idea which one is it. And this is, well, at least this one we know, is the string of hearts. Very pretty. Okay. The string of hearts. Yeah, we're also gonna do that. We're gonna do 2 of this. Or more. 2 more. Yeah, let's do 4. And since I don't know how to grow this, vamos a hacer 4 como no sé cómo se hacen. Again, I'm gonna put them all in this same dish with water. Like that. Just like that. Así nos vamos a ir. Getting this pothos. And this other pothos, I think. and this other whatever. Yeah, I don't know the names. I mean, I have the names there, but I can't really identify them. Put them in the water. That's it. So from here, I can get two. I can get this and this. So we're gonna get rid of that leaf, and we're gonna go like this, right? And then this can also have two. I'll put them together. This one I also have two. Yeah, let's put them here. Different glass. And it's gonna go together with this. It's gonna go 4. So these are gonna go in a dish like this. Again. And we have this. Only got one leaf, so this must be expensive. This one más o menos caro, así que this one will go in that jar. And then this. Not sure what to do with this. I think those are roots. Those are roots. Those are roots. So I can do this. I feel I can do that, and then here also. Those are roots, and this one has roots also, and this one too. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully I didn't kill it. And that's it. Eso es por la preparación. See you later. Nos vemos. Chau.